Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy knitting stitch pattern. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project like border, jacket, cardigan, sweater, etc. It is only 2 rows repeat knitting pattern and you can choose any number of stitches for this pattern. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also share my video with your friends in your group and hit the like button. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 11 stitches on my needle. You can choose any number of stitches for this pattern. Friends, after cast on stitches I have made 2 rows here like a border. So first row of the pattern, right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is we will pull a loop. We will not pull a loop like this. We will pull a loop from here. This is a space and we will pull a loop from here like this. Pull one loop here and slip the next stitch purlwise. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is pull a loop from here like this and slip the next stitch. One more repeat, pull a loop from here like this and slip next stitch. One more repeat, pull a loop from here and slip next stitch. Again pull a loop from here and slip next stitch. Pull a loop from here and slip next stitch. Pull a loop from here and slip next stitch. Pull a loop from here pull a loop from here and slip one stitch, then pull a loop from here and slip next stitch. In this way we will complete our first row. Last is rested, so knit the last stitch. Second row, wrong side, slip one stitch purlwise. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is purl 2 stitches together. Friends, here is one stitch and one loop. So now we will purl these 2 stitches together like this. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is purl 2 stitches together, 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 purl 2 stitches together. In this way we will complete our second row and purl the last stitch. So friends, after the 2 rows our pattern will be like this. We will repeat these 2 rows for the desired length of the pattern. I will repeat one more time. So the first row, slip the edge stitch, Then pull a loop from here like this and slip the next stitch, and we will repeat these 2 rows, and then we will get a pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video.